Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this adorable label maker is going to become your new best friend when it comes to organizing anything in your life. This is the Phomemo D30 label maker. What I love about it is the fact that it doesn't need any ink because it's a thermal label maker. Its tiny little size makes it super portable, and it simply has one button on and off. You control it and all of your design features inside an app that you can use on your smartphone. The labels themselves are very easy to load. It comes with simple instructions, and there's tons of room for creativity within the app. Whether you want to use this for your office or for your home, virtually anywhere you want to place a label, this little label maker is going to be exactly what you're looking for. You can add label designs, you can create your own. Its versatility and design features make this an absolute must-have for anyone who loves organization. It's adorable, it doesn't take up a lot of space, and it's very simple to use. I love the level of creativity within the app, and I just love the overall design, especially since I don't need to replace ink. And that is my point of view.